because he's an experienced warrant officer. When he was asked to comment on what Zungu said,
Exactly.
yeah, he knows. I mean, Zungu, ngena kuphi kuye?
Yes.
Because me, I'm an analyst.
Yes.
But I let it pass because I'm told I'm interfering.
And I also objected at the beginning of the evidence in chief. I said, we are
Chief.
only calling these respectable gentlemen for this. Then he was
Yeah,
led
fine,
on
I
what
hear you.
Zungu, Mohola, whoever. There were 3 passages that he was was
Okay, fine,
referred to
yeah.
read.
Let's
now.
go on, sir.
As the court places, my lord. I mean, that's it for that.
Ibimayelana nemibuzo ke ufakazi ayihlonywayo ke ukuthi ke utshela ngokuthi uZungu washo lokhu uZungu akajashe lokhu ithi inkantolo ke bikwenzile lokhu ngaphambilini ukuthi ifundeke kuona umthetho yena le ncwadi iphethe laphayana ukuthi ke ubufakazi lobu obungahlanganeke naye ufakazi lona ke ngoba yena ubizelwe izathu esithize ukuthi manje asatshelwe ke ngobufakazi bakhe ke uZungu akusona ke into leyo noma ke into inkantolo ezothi ke inakeke nokuthi ke ikhulume ngayo ke nasegcineni ke uma uphothula lona ke icala leli uyavuma ke na Mr. Damsipile uthi bekuyinto ayishilo naye ke eqaleni leyo kodwa ke umbuso uqhubekile wakwenza lokho.
Now, warrant officer, let me move on to this aspect. The last